Hi guys, if you saw previous video, then you know that we're on SSD that is lasting now for 4 years. I started making this SSD or installing this operating system 4 years ago, 2020, January the 2nd. So we try to debunk the idea that we need to update daily, otherwise Arch will crash, right? This is pure Arch. So we need, well, the system says they are rolling, and that's exactly what you need to grasp, is that there's no need for a 6-month big update like some other distros have. We just install once and keep on updating, keep on rolling. So here you see the jumps. You can look at the time, stop the video and say, okay, he's jumping here for a week, a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, right? And there are videos out there where I jump for 2 years. All you need is knowledge, and that's in the previous video. You can have a look at that, because in the previous video I said I'm gonna jump from that kernel to this kernel, right? We're really jumping a few kernels here because of the timing. We are September 26th and here we're November the 30th. So yeah, that's previous video. As you see, this really looks like Apple. What if we wanted to have something else, right? So in each video I make another attempt at looking at these things. There are lots of things I've made in the past, materia, dark, light, and so on. So what if I want another global theme? And that's where this plasma really shines, that you say, oh look, I can have a Windows 11 sunset global theme, right? Well, to be fair, if we had Mac, why not have Windows then, right? I know I will have a lot of comments in my video now, but why not? Okay, another operating system. Now, things change. I mean, plasma changes. These guys who make this, it might work or it might not work. And that really is because of updates, because of time. Do they have time to do all this and so on, right? So this is up to them to maintain it. And I do think, I'm afraid we need to reboot. This looks already a little bit different already. There are some icons that probably need to be adapted again, right? But this really still looks very much like the one we had, the Mac look. And so let's see, Windows 11 sunset, sure, apply. Let's wait. I think it's busy. All right, and let's have a quick look around. There is Breeze, there's a plasma style that is using Windows 11 sunset. Coloring is a little bit different, has a different color. Window decorations, also something different there. Cursors. When we're gonna go dark, then I like a white one. And on font management and the splash screen. Maybe the splash screen has something. Yeah, Windows 11 sunset, right? So I'm gonna reboot, stop the video and reboot and see what it does.